Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and today we're going to take you on a spring garden tour. So before we get started on that, if you like the content of our videos and you like learning about what to grow in your garden for Southern California, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave some comments below in the video so I can answer your gardening questions. So let's go on a tour. All right, we have tons of stuff growing in the garden this year. We really focused on flowers, partly because I just love blooms, and veggies tend to take up so much space sometimes. I really set aside a lot of room in the garden for flowers. Our pollinators are super happy. You can see we have our sweet peas, which are going to seed, and those are beautiful. We'll have seed production of those in the coming weeks. Tons of cornflower, which is a really awesome old-fashioned wildflower that totally gets overlooked, but it grows so easily. Here we have our rows of Kajari melon. Kajari melon is one of my favorite melons. It's super aromatic, tropical flavored, and the plants stay really small. That's what I love. You can grow them in a small area. And they're resistant to powdery mildew, which is totally important for us on our farm. We've got our peppers already in. They're struggling a little bit. It is, I think it's the first day of May today. And so the nighttime temperatures are still pretty cool, and so you'll notice your peppers and your tomatoes, they're gonna struggle a little bit, but we're gonna warm up very quickly, and as soon as the nights get warmer than 50, they're really gonna take off. I have my Lucid Gem tomatoes planted here on my low and lean trellis system. I have some Gomphrena or Globe Amaranth plants planted in between, both to bring pollinators and also because they're really pretty. So all of these rows, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of Lucid Gem that's going to be producing tons of tomatoes this year. On these trellis systems, we'll put our tomahawks, which is what we use for the low and lean method. Be sure to check out our videos on low and lean, and we'll be doing tons more this summer on how you use that method. On this very simple, cheap trellis system that we use from salvage junk that we found on the farm, we have our cherry tomatoes. I'm not worried about these plants getting that heavy, so we just kind of threw together a very easy trellis system so we can get cherry tomatoes for our salads this summer. And lastly, we've got some more peppers and the very end of our winter and cool season crops. You can see I've got onions in here. Those will continue to grow well into fall, but the rest of these beets will get harvested. We've got beets. We have spinach that's starting to go to seed. Those need to get pulled. Our radishes are starting to go to seed. And now this is important to note. Why does this happen? This is a natural process. As the days get longer and the temperatures get warmer, it signals to cool season plants, hey, it's time to flower and set your seed. So you can see we've got radishes going to seed. There is spinach going to seed, and our lettuce is also starting to go to seed. And that's just a natural process. These need to get pulled up and they'll get fed to the chickens. And if you've never seen a carrot go to seed, look at this. Carrot blooms are beautiful. They're really amazing. So this is some carrots that are going to seed. You could save seed off of this after it fully produces the seed. So that's a quick overview of our spring garden. You can see we got tons going on. I have lots of work I need to do in the garden, so I better get to it. So if you have any questions about what we're growing, why we're growing, or any question about our small certified organic urban farm, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time, happy growing.